Tiri kuda kuita a ZIMSEC question, June 2018, paper 1, question number 23, ZIMSEC ordinary level mathematics. Question E, tine a triangular prism. So the question reads, in the diagram, A, B, C, D, E, F is a solid triangular prism. AB is equal to 6 centimeters, BC is equal to 20 centimeters, AF is equal to 8 centimeters, FB is equal to X centimeters, BAF is equal to 90 degrees. Find X, look at A. A iruda kuti tite find X. This is the X. Saka because we have a right angled triangle, we have two sides and a missing side. Zoreva kuti tichashandisa Pythagoras Theorem. Sa Pythagoras Theorem inoti iyo hypotenuse squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Saka hypotenuse ndiro the longest side which is opposite the right angle. So tikada kushandisa zviri panapa zvinenge zvichireva izvo kuti fb squared is equal to ab squared plus af squared. Then tika substitute fb tichange tina x squared is equal to ab ndi 6 saka tana 6 squared plus af ndi 8 satana 8 squared. Therefore tiri kuti x squared is equal to, what is 6 squared? 6 times 6 ndi 36 plus what is 8 squared? 8 times 8 ndi 64. Tikati 64 plus 36. Tikati 64 plus 36, 6 plus 4 ndi 10, carry 1. 6 plus 3 ndi 9 plus 1 ndi 10. Kureva kuti x squared is equal to 100. Kana chida kusara na x, chatora square root yeku left hand side, zvakare ne square root yeku right hand side. So x is equal to 10. Hatina kuti plus or minus because we cannot have a negative length. Saka tatuana x is equal to 10. Let us go and attempt the part B of our question. Part B iri kuti calculate the total surface area of the prism. Saka takuziva kuti x ndi 10 sanga tinoisa 10 panapa. Toda kutsvaga the total surface area. Saka total surface area, the total surface area iri equal to area ye triangle ish and plus area ye triangle E. Satogona kuti area gatiti ABF. But katarisisa tichaona kuti area ABF yakafanana ne area EDC. Because the base rate triangle yedu ndi 6 panapa. Apa ndi 6 zvakare because the base of this triangular prism ichi, it's a rectangle. Then this side ndi 10, this side should also be 10, and kana we are 8, this should be 8. Call out the area of ABF, we should multiply it with 2. Tovatati plus. Then gatitari say the base rectangle. Sateta kuti area chi, teta kuti area of iyava ABCD. Then taku edda ku area ichi ABCD. Area of ABCD ati multiply na 2 because atina a corresponding rectangular base. Then takuda to edda zvakare to area. Gatari say this area this face, which will be the area of G, F, B, C, E. Then we are also going to add to area area yachaeda this time inenge iri area ADEF. ADEF. Zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti kana tichitsvaga total surface area, tiri kuda area yeevery face. We are going to add the area of every face. Saka tatanga nethis triangle, tikaona kuti area yetriangle iyi inenge yakafanana nearea yetriangle iyi because zvine madimensions akafanana, the same base, the same height. Saka this area plus this area, then this area of the base plus area reside here ne area reside here. Correct, we have our main faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Takuda kuchi calculator manje. Pa calculator kwedu tichati ngatange ne area ABF. Area ABF tichati half base times height. And so what is the base? The base is 6 times height the 8. Then this is multiplying 2, remember? To vatati plus area ya ABCD. Since this is a rectangle, the area is going to be length times width. And our length is 20, our width is 6. Correct, here we just say 20 times 6. To vatati plus area of FBCE. FBCE, it's also rectangular. Since it's rectangular, tichati length times width. So our length is 20, but our width is now 10. Correct, this is going to be 20 times 10. Twadati plus. Takuda the area of our last face, which is ADEF. ADEF, it's a rectangle. It's a length by width. Saka panapa, since this is 20, so that panapa, this broken line is also going to be 20. So this is going to be 20 times 8. Length times width. 20 times 8. 20 times 8. Then tikada also vepa msora apa. It's half times 6 times 8 times 2. Because this 2 can cancel out this 2. Tichasara tina 1 times 6 times 8, which is equal to 48. 48 plus. Takuda zoti 20 times 6 ndiani. So 20 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. So this is 120. Plus 20 times 10, obviously it's 200. Plus, what is 20 times 8? 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 2 is 16. Saka pandi 160. So mafaces edu tamaverenga tikaona kuti 5. Panapawo tiri kuona kuti ma areas edu i5, considering kuti 48 is actually a sum of two areas, because that area triangle E plus area triangle E. Kuti tichazozviita separately, which we are going to do. Tichada kuzoprove out in the 48, but not now. Katimboitai go towards our answer. So kueda ma areas edu tiri kuti 48 plus 120 plus 200 plus 160. Saka 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. This is 8. Tikati 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 0. Then plus 6 becomes 12. Here 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 520 square centimeters. So our answer here is going to be equal to 528, square centimeters. 528 square centimeters. So ngatidzokere tinozama kuprova kuti area ishi ne E dzakafanana. But we do not have to prove anything, since shona kuti kana base redu iri rectangular. Zviri kureva izvo kuti kana panapa pari 6, corresponding side on a rectangle is the same length. Panapa ndi 6 zvakare. That's why tati kana apa pari 20 apa ndi 20. Then kana iri rectangle zvakare, tiri kuti apa kana pari 20 pamusoro apa ndiani ndi 20. Then ukuside kana ari 8 kuno kundiani futi ndi 8. So takutoona kutoti since we have the same base and the height, the triangles should have the same area. That's why I multiply na 2. So 528 square centimeters is going to be the answer. Question E kuita, it has been suggested by a subscriber. And the subscriber was saying kuti answer iri marking scheme. Haiziyo answer yari kuwana. But answer yari kuwana, it's 528 square centimeters. So I just want to remind you, but you should not use this as a scapegoat. Yokusawana ma correct answers. Ma solutions anenge ari mu marking scheme anonzi ma suggested solutions. Reason anonzi ma suggested solutions in a way kuti they are prone to review because it's possible that there can be an error. So I'm suggesting strongly that there was an error there. The answer is 528. And luckily, the subscriber arikuwana foot 528 square centimeters. So this is how it's done. If you have a question pertaining this question, you can write it down in the comment section. If you have any other ordinary level mathematics question, be it Cambridge or ZIMSEC, you can email me directly or you can write it in the comment section and we will find time to address it. Thank you and take care.